We are pleased to show you the 2024 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: privacy glass, black door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, compass, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.